Grandpa, it is raining. It is raining.
Yes, it is raining a lot. Yes, it is raining a lot.
We are walking together.
We are walking together. Be careful while walking. Be careful while walking.
I am walking carefully. I am walking carefully.
I like this weather. I like this weather.
I like it too. I like it too. Look at the water. Look at the water. There is water on the road. There is water on the road. I am jumping over the water. I am jumping over the water.
Be careful, do not slip. Be careful, do not slip.
The road is wet. The road is wet. I see people running. I see people running.
Yes, they have no umbrella. Yes, they have no umbrella. The rain is getting heavy. The rain is getting heavy. Let us walk faster. Let us walk faster.
We are walking fast now. We are walking fast now. Look at that shop. Look at that shop.
Yes, we can go there. Yes, we can go there.
Let us go inside.
Let us go inside. We are entering the shop. We are entering the shop.
I am sitting. I am sitting. We can drink tea. We can drink tea. I like hot tea. I like hot tea.
The rain is stopping. The rain is stopping.
Let us go outside. Let us go outside.
I see our house. I see our house. Ha-ha! Yes, we are near home. Yes, we are near home.
Open the door. Open the door.
I am opening the door. I am opening the door.